Today you face the challenge that consumers seem to want it all. Their choices are inconsistent, even paradoxical. Do they prefer light and healthy meals, or pleasure and indulgence? Do they shop on a budget, or is price no issue when it comes to quality? Are global flavors replacing locally grown food? Is innovation replacing tradition and old classics? Have local and specialty shops been abandoned for the convenience of the supermarket? Do they like the convenience of a quick snack on the go? Or do they like to sit down for an extended meal? One thing is clear, food is no longer just about hunger or taste. It's about very conscious choices, different choices, conflicting choices. At the end of 2011, we traveled around the world in search of what consumers really want. First, we asked 6,400 consumers in 14 countries about their choices and attitudes, perceptions and feelings, all related to bread, pastry, patisserie and chocolate. Next, we matched these results with qualitative research in 6 trend-setting cities. The results of this unique in-depth survey confirmed consumers' paradoxical behavior. But in this chaos, we uncovered a number of clear trends with global and local relevance. Understanding consumer behavior can help you to turn today's challenges into tomorrow's opportunities.